arrange the shapes and colors. Okay? Say the teacher. Here we go. Look at the shape and the colors. Circle. Light blue. Next. Let's remove next one. Square. Rectangle. Next. Okay, next one. Oval. Pentagon. Go next one. Next. What's the next one? Where is it? Oh, where is it? Oh, no. Here, oh. Look, oh. The same, oh. Okay, next. Oh, rectangle. Where's the yellow rectangle? How about this one? Okay, next. Triangle. Where? And last one. Okay, high five. Good job. Next, fix the puzzle. Let's make a square. Go make a square.
Count the shoes. Count. 1, 2.
Uh-oh. Help the teacher. And like this.
Count the pair.
You put. Next. Color yellow.
5.
Put next.
5.
Here. Yan. Very good. Next one. Here you go.
1.
Next.
3, 4, 5, 7. Where's the 7?
Next one.
7.
Oh, where? No. Again, where?
7.
There you go. Next one. Oh, no.
Orange.
No. There you go. Next.
7, 8.
Red.
The 8.
Look.
8. Nasaan yung 8? Now, the block. Count the block.
Hold it like this.
6, 7.
Next one. Yellow.
Where's the 10? There we go.
Again.
The car.
Yellow.
1, 2, 3, 4,
Where?
7, 8. Where's the 8?
You can do it. Sige, paano yellow? Yellow.
Next, where's the nails? Nails.
Are you sure?
6.
Go, you can do it. Go, color yellow.
Wow.
Yellow. Try again. Go, try again. Like this, oh. Shoot.
9.
Yun. Okay, next one.
Uh-oh.
Oh, no.
Empty. That is number 0.
Next one. Look. Where? No. Where?
The socks.
Ayos mo po. Okay. Last one. Sige, look at your work. Sige, go. Go, put. Go, Ate Hazen. Go. Square. Look, put. Oh, next one. Last one. There you go. High five. Oh, okay, very good. Put it together, huh? Push. Put together, push. Push mo like this, oh. Ate, look. Hazen, use your hand. Push. So, one more. Here. Next. Push. Very good. Next one. Oh, here you go. Push. Sige, go. Again, no? Not yet pa, oh. Try again. Push. Go. You can do it. Sige, go. You can do it. Oh, push. Okay, next one. Push. Sige, go. You can do it. More. Push more. Sige, more. More pa, oh. Look, oh. Hazen, look. Hazen, eyes here. Wow, you like the rings? Push. Next one. Yun. Okay, next. More. Push. Push again. Push. More. Look more. Strong. Push. Next. Okay. Very good. Wow. Ay. Oopsie. Tanggal. Wow. Very good. Okay. The train. Car train. Go. Let's go. Jump. Little monkeys jumping on the bed. Jumping on the bed. One fell down. Bumped head. Doctor. No more monkeys jumping on the bed. Yay! Little monkeys. Again. 1 to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yay! High five. Very good. Yay! Go down na tayo. Go down. Thank you, boy. Shaking hands. Get one end. Insert. Hold mo po. Color. Oops. Insert. Push and pull. Yun. Ayan. Okay. Next one. Color pink. Oops. Careful. Careful. Here. This one, oh. Ayun, oh. Hawak mo po.
Banana.
Okay.
Next.
Gigit mo, oh. Insert. Insert. And then hold this. Hold. Hold. Like that. Okay, try again. Try again. Try again. Next one. Go next. Insert. Hold. Insert. Oh, then insert. And then hold this. Hold. Pull. Up. Up. Okay, I'll try again. Try again. Try mo po again. Insert. Hold. Hold mo. Hold.
Potato. How about this one?
Up. Up.
Kiwi.
Up. Up.
Kiwi.
Next. Again. Again.
What's this? Pineapple.
Go.
I'm a picture.
Square.
Arrange this one. What's this?
Insert up.
What's this?
Purple square. Purple square.
Banana. Pineapple. What's this?
Go up. Ah, very good. Try again. One more.
Last one. Picture.
Hold.
Basic ba, Ma'am Chi?
Go, you can do it. Yan. Okay, next one. Let's finish now. Next. Up. Yan. Very good. One more. Hawak mo po dito kasi mabuti. Up. Oh. Hold mo, hold. Yan. Okay, very good. Next one. Next. There you go. That's right. Next one. Oopsie. Try again. Oh. You can do it. Hold mo po. Hold. Uh-oh. What are you gonna do? Finish mo this one. Finish. Okay, next one. Now, last one. Go, Ate Hazel. Last one. You can do it. There you go. Thank you. High five. Good job. What is this? It's a train. It's a puzzle train. Okay, let's fix the puzzle train. Here you go. Start with this one. Puzzle train. Here. Up. Next one. Like this. Go, put it together. Put together. Put together. Next one. Okay, very good. Next. Slide, slide. Slide. Oops. Slide, slide. Slide mo. Okay, next one. Train here. Okay, very good. Next. There you go. Next one. Put, train. Train. Like this, or hold it like this. Train. Slide mo, slide. Yan. Next one. Here we go. Very good. Next. Next one. Put here. Here. Sige, go. Look at your work. Hazen, eyes here. Yan. Okay, next one. And here. Start again here. Slide. Sige, slide mo, slide. Sige, go. Help. Slide. Next one. Good. Like this. Next. Eyes. Here. Eyes of the train. Okay, next one. Here, here. Ito, next, oh. Slide. Okay, very good. Next one. Good. Okay, next. Here we go. Train, choo-choo train. Next. Here. Very good. Next one. Like this. Okay, next one. There you go. Put here. There you go. Next one. The puzzle. Next. Slide. Slide. Next. Here you go. Here you go. Here's the next one. Good. Next. Here, like this. Slide. Good. Next one. Here. Okay, next. Oops. Sorry. Here. Next. a
Green.
train. High five, teacher. Color?
Green.
Color? Blue.
What?
Wow, what is this? I'm gonna start with this one.
Oh no, it's raining. We use when it's
What is
raining.
this?
What is this?
It's a train. Train. Next,
Now it's raining.
ice cream cone. Ice cream.
Umbrella.
Yummy ice cream.
And
Oh.
what's this?
Next, car.
Yeah.
Car. And your little spoon.
Umbrella.
Little spoon. Okay, give ka ni teacher, okay? Careful, ah. Hindi ko sulit yan. Oh, wait lang. Lagyan ni teacher ng squid sand. Lagyan ni teacher ng sand. Wait. Wow, what's that?
Toothbrush.
Wow.
What's this? Boom.
Wait for teacher.
Start. What does a dog chew?
Wow. Oh, use your spoon. Hold mo this one. Oh, you want to use your hand? Put. Wow, put. Careful. Like this. Just one. Ano? Two. Three. Tap, tap, tap. Tap, tap, tap. Again. One more. Put. Tap, tap, tap. Tap, tap, tap. One. Oh, let's go. 1, 2, 3. Go. Oh, wow. Wow. Again. Want to do it again. Sige, how about use your spoon? Spoon.
Strawberry.
Put. Put.
This.
Put. Tap, tap.
Good.
Next.
How about this one?
Put. Tap, tap.
This.
Get.
What's
Put.
this?
Tap, 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 tap.
Round.
One more.
One.
Tap,
This. Now.
tap, 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 tap. Oh, put mo.
Good.
Put mo like this. 1, 2, 3, go.
One.
Wow! How about the car? Want the car? How about let's do the car? Tingnan mo yung car mo. Car.
Say it. Dolphin.
Car. Sige, go. Put mo. Put mo. Lagyan mo yung car. Slowly. Baka tumapon. Car. Here.
This one was
Car.
monkey.
Next. Tap, 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 tap.
What's this?
Oh, look at this one. Tap, 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 tap. 1, 2, 3, go. Wow! Car. Oh, careful. Want to use this for phone?
Tongue. The tongue. Tongue.
Careful.
What's this? Ito, banana.
Get ka ng sand.
What is this?
Get. How about use your hand? Use your hand, oh. Ganyan, oh. Wow.
Bus.
Get.
Say it. Bus.
Wow.
Bus there.
Oh, wow.
How about this one?
Careful lang, careful.
Next one is this.
Careful lang, ate.
Tiger. Next.
Like this, oh. Gigib ka ni teacher. Gigib siya ni teacher. Gigib ka ni teacher, ha? Tap, tap, tap. Oh, ano mo? Go. 1, 2, 3, go.
Next one.
Wow! Very good. That's one. Good job. One more. Oh, here. Give the teacher.
Bed.
One.
Bed. Say it.
Tap, tap, tap. Go.
Yeah. Bed.
Go. Wow! Good job. You like it? Like it ba? Wow! Wow!
That's one.
Next, get. Insert the tree. Wow! Tap mo. More. Tap. Go. 1, 2, 3. Go. Dito. Go.